High humidity, over 60% RH, can make cannabis leaves too damp, leading to water accumulation and rot in leaves and roots. Low humidity, below 40% RH, speeds up water evaporation, causing leaf tips to dry out and turn yellow. Temperatures above 30 degrees Celsius can burn cannabis leaves, turning their edges yellow and causing wilting. Temperatures below 15 degrees Celsius inhibit root growth, reducing the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients. Using Cannabis HVAC, we can adjust temperature and humidity to meet the plant's needs. Maintaining temperatures between 22 to 28 degrees Celsius promotes nutrient absorption. For humidity, 60 to 70% RH during vegetating and 40 to 50% RH during flowering prevents mold and fungi, ensuring healthy cannabis growth.